Hey everyone, here's a question on lines and angles. The question is to find the value of x in the given figure. So this is a figure given to us and we can see there are two angles PAQ and QAR. So the point here is A. How to find this? To find the x value you can use two concepts. One is angles on straight line and the other concept is linear pair. Now angles on straight line means if you have learned about this concept and you can use this. If you have not learned, then you can use the concept of linear pair. I'll explain both. Angles on straight line means all the angles which are on a straight line, like they are lying on a straight line. When you add up all the angles, it could be 2 angles or 3 angles or 4 angles, all the angles when you add up, the sum will be 180 degrees. Next is linear pair. In linear pair we have only two angles and they are adjacent angles, like in this case this angle and this angles are adjacent angles. They are side by side, they have this common arm. And how to identify whether it's a linear pair or not is the non-common arm, it should be exactly opposite. You can see that this is a non-common arm, this is not the common one, right? This, and for this angle this is non-common, they are exactly opposite. You may see an adjacent angle, but the non-common arm will not be opposite. If we have one angle like this and the other is like this, you can see that this is non-common. This is one angle and this is other angle. So this is non-common arm. You can see these are not opposite, though they are adjacent angle, but they are not opposite. So this is not an example of linear pair. So first you have to understand if the adjacent angles are forming a linear pair or not. So in this case they are forming a linear pair because this arm is exactly opposite to this. So if you have learned angles on straight line, apply that concept, and if you have learned linear pair, apply, because the sum is always 180 degree, you can use any one concept. So let's use a concept of linear pair. So here angle, this is A. This common point here is A, the vertex is A. So let's take it as PAQ, so angle PAQ plus, angle PAQ and angle QAR form linear pair. If they are forming a linear pair, the sum is 180 degree. So angle PAQ plus angle QAR is equals to 180 degrees. Now we have to add this two. Substitute the values. PAQ is 3x, this angle is 3x and this is 2x. So 3x plus 2x is 180 degrees. We can add this because they are like term, 3x plus 2x, add the coefficient, 3 plus 2 is 5, we get 5x equals to 180 degrees. Now here we have to find the x value. We don't want phi here, we just want x on the left side. We have to remove this phi. How to do it? You can use transpose method. So when you transpose, the phi will goes to division, that is it will get divided here, 180 will get divided by 5. Or you can use a balance method where you will divide both the sides by 5, any one. So let's divide both the sides by 5. So you cannot just eliminate one side, you have to keep it balanced, right? So you have to do it on both the sides. So left side the 5 will get cancelled, 5 ones and 5 ones are, and on the right side cancel it, 5 ones are. Here we have 18, 5 3s are 15, we get 3 as a remainder, now we have 30, 5 6 are 30. Therefore, the x value is 36 degrees. That's it. They are asking us to find the x value. So, x value is 36 degrees. If they ask you to find the angles, then you have to substitute x value in the 3x and 2x. Then you get both the angles. If you want to verify your x value is correct or not, what you can do is you can substitute 36 here, 3 times 36, 2 times 36. The value you get, add it. If the sum is 180 degrees, then your answer x value is correct. You can verify in that way. I hope this question is clear. In case you have any question on this chapter or any other chapter, you can drop a comment and I'll try to make a video on it. Thank you so much for watching.